this is 240 Pixel. I wanted to share my latest replay in E25 Tier 7 German premium tank. Just few highlights about my enormous luck and some of my mistakes as well. And just here we see I just killed Nasco, or rather stole a kill from some lucky guy who set him on fire. But we're gonna see some flames even later. Here I just made a mistake and I stayed in the same location when I got spotted. I just ignored Sixth Sense and it was my mistake, which I'm gonna get punished for. But at the moment I have plenty of targets, just I have bad luck hitting them, and yeah, I even bounced a shot, then I fall back to support that KB1S, so I could put some suppressing fire while he is retreating. Unfortunately I wasn't able to penetrate the Hellcat and save that KB1S, but for now we see that this flank is falling apart, getting surrounded. I'm getting a bit nervous and I switched for premium ammunition just in case, and of course when T-71 came I forgot to switch back to AP, which was one of the worst mistakes. And here you see I miss one, I miss two. I tried to hit him, I missed third shot, but luckily our VZ just stopped him and I was able to finish him off and set him on fire. So here we see just trying to get some situational awareness and see what's coming, and I see a lot of guys pushing this side, so I fall back and I see the Comet is trying to flank me, but for now I try to put a few shots to those Super Pershing and T-29 to distract them for a second. Of course I get one shot from Super Pershing, which left me on 21 health. While I was successfully destroying the Comet, the Hellcat just ignored me and he didn't bother to shoot me, which actually cost him his life. But moving on, we just flanking those two heavy tanks, T-29, and we were lucky enough to set him on fire. While we keep eating his health one shot by shot, he was ignoring me for like 5 shots, and now he's turning his gun, but it's too late because he's run out of health. I was able to finish him off, and now I'm on that Super Pershing. First shot set him on fire, he was able to put that flame, and yeah, he turning the gun for me. I was falling back, lava interrupted. Good job by that guy, he later was able to finish this game in style. He had Super Pershing aiming for me, I just fall back for a second, let the lava to deal with that Super Pershing, but I noticed I have 5 kills, and this is perfect opportunity for me to get 6th kill, because that Super Pershing turned his side turret to me. I put 1 shot, 2 shots, left him on 10 health, and I see the opportunity to steal the 6th kill for my Top Gun, which is quite cheeky, but you know, typical E25 drivers. Yeah.